Hello, here's a quick tutorial on how to edit the hair on a portrait in Portrait Pro 15. Open up Portrait Pro 15, open up an image that you'd like to edit. Let's see, what can I do? How about this lady here? Okay, takes a minute to load. Well, takes quite a while to load. Let's hit female, cause it's a female. And this is just a hair edit. I'm not going to do anything with the other settings, so we're going to put it on view after only. All right, if you'd like to edit a subject's hair, first of all, zoom in using your zoom bar up here, see? So you can see her whole head of hair, like right there. Or you can hit fit, see? That's face, fit. All right, so now I want a little closer, so let's go here. And then pull this box up with your crosshairs so you can see her whole head. All right, now the way you edit hair is to go down to your hair controls, which is in the bottom toolbox down here under portrait improving sliders. Hit hair controls. Now it opens up a box that has a little drop down arrow, and if you drop it down you'll see different hair colors. It has a scroll bar on the right where you can scroll up and down to see the different hair colors that they have. She's a blonde. Let's turn her hair. Let's try a couple. Let's do like a dark reddish color. Oops. Okay, that didn't do much. So what you can do is go down here and it says, and you're using your scroll bar, hair recolor amount. There we go back to almost the normal color. But if you hit hair recolor amount and pull it to the right, see, gives you a little bit more vibrance. And then there's a scroll that says lighten. It says lighten, but it makes it darker. Okay, so lighten. Let's turn lighten off. That's not a very nice color. It's kind of a mousy brown. So let's put it back a little bit. Now there's one here that says redden. That's a little better. Scroll down and there's vibrance. Yeah, it's a little nicer. Okay, now, and just to give you an idea, I'll do another color. Let's go to another hair color. Scroll back up a little into your hair editing. And let's select, how about another reddish color? All right. And let's fumble around down here with these. Let's hair color amount, a little less, redden, vibrance. That's not too drastic. So let's see. Dark. There's a darker color, almost black. Now let's go back up top and hit the reddish color again. All right, we're gonna do hair recolor amount, shine. See, shine does that, and it looks kind of fake, so I don't really use it too often. Put a little tiny shine there, and we have red and turned up as opposed to the left side, which is kind of mousy light brown. Okay, we have it on red all the way to 100. Vibrance is at 100. I'll put it to 100. Okay, that's all right. Now, see here where it says go to hair tidying mode? Click that, and it allows you to fill hair shadows. I'll move it so you can see what it does. It does that, which looks pretty fake. So it doesn't do much. Now, smooth hair I use pretty often because it kind of smooths the hair out and makes it look less flyaway. If you put it too far, it can tend to look a bit cartoonish slightly. See? It's almost too smooth and unnatural. And if you put it, that's 100%. If you put it here, I'll show you slowly. I usually put it about a little more than halfway over the middle. And that's at about 60, say 61 to 65%. Let's put it on 63, 4, 5, well, 65. All right, and hit OK. All right, so that's how the hair controls work. Now, there's another thing you need to know about hair controls. Every once in a while, when you pull a picture into this program, and you don't adjust the blue lines, which you should know about from previous tutorials, the blue lines that define where the top hairline is, the eyes, mouth, nose, features, jawline, everything, those lines, if you don't edit them right, sometimes the hairline comes out weird. And if that was to happen, like say her hairline looked unnatural or was too far down on her head, which happens, it's I guess a glitch in the program. You can hit View Edit Hair Area, and that purple highlight shows you exactly where her hairline is defined. So, say you wanted to pull it down further on her head or further near her temples, you would hit Extend. And as you can see, Extend does this. And you really don't want to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway to show you. That would pull her hairline way down, and I'll show you what it does. All right, let's make it crazy, all purple up here. And you can adjust this thing here. I don't know what you call it. See, you can make it big, and you can make the detector size, which is the middle portion, really big. See? Now, if you were to do Extend and put all that highlight in purple, you can hit Refine Edge. Now, hit OK and watch what happens. See, that's what Extend does. It pulls the hairline and the hair color down. It's not too often you have to do that. If anything, you have to cut it back. So let's go back to where we were, because that's pretty crazy. Okay, now we're back to where we were. So now do View, Edit Hair Area. And as you can see, each purple highlight. I'm going to make this circle smaller. It's my work area. So we're going to go brush size down, detector size down. Now, say her hairline was a little raggedy looking or uneven, or she had too many strays like baby hairs around her hairline, or if it was too far down on her forehead, you could go to that. And instead of Extend, you select Cut Back. And now you can do the same thing, see? It'll make it look a little natural if the hairline is raggedy or too far down. So you can take out some of her hairline. Wherever you remove purple highlights, it cuts back the hairline. So let's just do a little, well maybe I'll do a lot so you can see what it does. So we're going to cut back about, say, alright, that's enough to give you an idea. So as you can see, we've cut some of her hairline back. So now, go down here, scroll down with your scroll. You can hit Refine Edge, and it will soften that edge you've created by deleting the purple highlight. Hit Refine Edge, and see, it kind of graduates it and smooths it out a little bit. Now hit OK. See the difference? So that's pretty much what you can do with hair. So again, if you want to alter hair in your portrait, use your hair controls. You can view and edit, as I showed you, and that's where you can, I'll show you again. You can do Extend or Cut Back, and that's for hairline. You can do Refine Edge, and then you would select OK. Or you can just change hair color. There's quite a big selection here, different colors from auburn to a bright blonde. And if you really wanted to lighten it, you could lighten it a lot, see? And then hit lighten. That's crazy looking, right? Nobody's hair is like corn yellow. Alright, but that's an idea of what it does. So let's put that back where it was. Okay, so that's what you can do with your hair controls. Really easy. That's it for hair controls. Take care. Bye.
There's a thin line between reality and psychosis. Please subscribe.